everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. My name is Ella and I make videos on Wicca and witchcraft. So for today's video I have something really special for you. I will be showing you how you can charm your jewelry for different purposes such as protection, glamour spells, or prosperity, or really anything that your heart desires. I'm also really excited to tell you guys that this video is in collaboration with a company called Etah Love. They are a really nice jewelry company, and in this video we will be doing a huge giveaway for $500 worth of their jewelry, or basically a gift code, as well as a €25 gift voucher for every single person that signs up for the giveaway. Etah Love, if you don't know them, is a jewelry brand focusing mainly on like heavy metal as well as hard rock kind of jewelry, but they also have a collection called Second Sight, which is very focused on, for example, tarot reading and, you know, magic and witchcraft in a way. So that is also the jewelry that I have in this video that I will be showing you, as Etah Love was kind enough to send me some of these beautiful pieces. And all of their jewelry is sterling silver, really high quality, really detailed. Like when I received it and I was looking at the jewelry, I was like in shock about how much detail the jewelry pieces are. Etah Love is giving away a $500 gift code to one lucky winner and a $25 gift code to every single person that signs up using the link in the description box. All you have to do to sign up for the giveaway is, as I said, use the link below and also comment underneath this video. The winner will then be selected within 1 week via email, and everyone else will be receiving their $25 gift code also via email. So let's get started with creating some magical jewelry. Here I have 3 rings plus engagement ring, as well as a necklace. So this necklace is called Under My Spell and actually features a really beautiful black onyx, and I chose this necklace because it's perfect for protection, as black onyx is a crystal that is perfect for protection. And then for the 3 rings I have Rosy Disposition, which I will be using for a glamour spell to feel more charming and more confident. Then I have the High Priestess, which I will be using sort of as my ritual ring whenever I want to enhance my spellcraft, my intuition, and my psychic abilities. And lastly, this one is super cool. This one is called Premonition, and this will be my protection ring. So whenever I, for example, don't want to wear the necklace, or I just want to combine them, then I have that ring. So what you want to start with is by cleansing your jewelry, simply as a way to remove any kind of energies that it may have encountered during, for example, the shipping process, and we just really want a blank canvas to work with. There are several techniques that you can use to cleanse your jewelry, such as salt, smoke cleansing, the full moon. There's a bunch, but for this video I will be using my favorite technique, which is smoke cleansing in combination with visualization. You can definitely also leave your jewelry out in, for example, full moon light if you want to cleanse your jewelry and also charge it with the full moon energies. So that's of course a really simple technique. I do have a video on cleansing plan in the future in general, but that will be out sometime in the future. So for this video I will be using smoke cleansing, and in particular I'm going to be using this cedar bundle, which I made myself using some cedar from our backyard, in combination with visualization. I'm cleansing the jewelry by passing them over the smoke, and I'm combining the smoke with my visualization by visualizing a white light surrounding the jewelry and filling it up. You can raise this energy from a source such as a crystal, the earth, an element, or from the universe directly flowing through you into your jewelry. At this point, you can then take the piece of jewelry into your hands and visualize your intention and place it onto your jewelry. You can whisper it onto your jewelry as well and fill it with your personal energy and breath. Keep meditating, visualizing over your jewelry, by which point you may feel a tingling sensation or a warmth in your hands. It really depends on how you personally feel energy. By doing so, you are raising energy and focusing it into your now charmed jewelry. When you feel ready, and this may be once the ring feels fully loaded with energy, or when the tingling or warmth subsides, you are ready to speak one final affirmation or spell. You can make it elaborate or simple. I prefer to keep it simple but precise. So May you protect me, so mote it be. Then you are ready to wear your jewelry. Now, one extra step that you can take is create a little magical box or a little magical space for your jewelry to keep it charged up and powerful, and of course to keep it safe when you are not wearing your jewelry. So you could use, for example, a little box and fill it with things that you want your jewelry to take on or to be surrounded by. So maybe some protective crystals, some Himalayan salt for it to lay on, or black salt or regular salt. You could add dried flowers or anything you want really. Before putting your jewelry on in the morning, once again speak your spell onto your jewelry and go about your day feeling protected or beautiful or powerful, whichever it may be. I personally then like to redo this cleansing and charging or charming every full moon or new moon, or whenever I feel like the energy kind of just needs to be reapplied. That way the charm stays active and strong, but also fresh. So of course you can also combine charms for one piece of jewelry. So you may have your necklace be charmed for protection and speaking your truth more frequently or more eloquently, or have your rings attract divine love and prosperity. You can also cleanse your jewelry and apply a completely different charm once you feel that the first charm has run its full course. To do so, you can simply cleanse the initial charm off of your jewelry. At this point, I would speak directly onto my jewelry that the previous charm is now fulfilled and released, and then you can go ahead and repeat the steps that I showed earlier and apply the new charm. And with that, we already are actually done with charming our jewelry. It's actually a very simple process, but very effective, and as you can use it every day, it's a really great way to incorporate witchcraft and magic into your day-to-day life. It's also not very obnoxious, like you don't necessarily can tell. I also have listed the jewelry pieces that I'm wearing in this video so that you guys can check them out, and of course the giveaway link is in the description box as well. Don't forget to also comment underneath this video to enter, and also don't forget to check your email inbox for the $25 discount code, or if you are the lucky winner in a week's time, for the $500. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And of course, as usual, all my socials will be linked in the description box. And with that, I wish you good fortune in the giveaway. Stay safe and blessed be. Bye!